Hello everybody, thanks for joining me again. Today we're going to take a look at generating wavetables. So the sorts of wavetables we're going to be generating are these ones. If you just listen to the lead sound. Okay, so they're sort of FM tone type things, but rather than actually using traditional FM from A or B or whatever, we've just got a wavetable here which has some sort of interesting stuff in it. You get the picture. Okay, so the way we're going to go about making those types of wavetables is you need to make a kind of like what I call like a glitch machine or a wave machine. It sounds something like this. Which can actually sound kind of cool as like a glitch element in your track. Anyways, yeah, so probably would want some resampling if you wanted to use that. But anyways, let's make one of these ourselves. So let's just get a new channel. I'm going to use Serum. Any synth will do. I just love Serum, so we're going to go with Serum. Okay, so you can really put in any starting table you want. That last one you heard is the glassy table from last week's glassy Psytrance leads video. We're just going to make things simple for everybody and just go analog, basic shapes. Okay, so let's set this to sync, no window. And then just so everybody can kind of see what's going on here, I'm just going to go to matrix. Okay, we're going to set velocity to the A wavetable position. I'm going to set that up all the way. And then we're going to go note on random 1. About halfway or so to A warp, then random 2 on coarse pitch, and let's have an LFO to screw with the amount of modulation depth as well, and maybe let's modulate the rate on that as well. So let's set it kind of slow, and then yeah, let's just use no on random 1 again, about halfway, LFO 1 rate. Okay, yeah, and maybe let's make the coarse pitch bidirectional as well. Alright, so let's see what we've just generated. Okay, perfect. Now all we need is something to just generate the MIDI for us. So you can use an arpeggiator, that's fine. I am very lazy and I really like Autoplay, so I'm just going to use Autoplay. And if you want Autoplay, you can find it in the affiliate link in the description for this video. I've just got this set up to always produce notes, produce, in this case, 16ths, 8ths, and quarters, because it's double what's on there. And then I've also got it to transpose through a couple of octaves. We get the rhythmic element, and we also get some different octaves happening, so it kind of sends it a bit crazy. Let's see what it sounds like. Oh yeah, and it's important that you have some sort of velocity randomizer. So if you are just going to use the arpeggiator, make sure you then go MIDI effects, velocity, total random, so you can have the wavetable position being changed by the velocity. Okay, so now all we need to do is just get a audio channel, set it to record that. So let's go 48 Serum, or you could say resampling, but it's up to you. Okay, so yeah, let's go. Now you can make this really as long as you want. I will would say probably don't make it any longer than about 16 bars though. This is 8 and a bit bars, so I'm happy with that. Okay, so now we're going to go over to Vital. And then what we're going to do is we're going to drag our audio file into our oscillator. You can either go with pitch splice or wavetable. I'm going to go with wavetable because it seems to keep the top end intact a bit more for this particular technique. So wavetable. Okay, and let's just see what we've got. Take it down an octave. Already, that's quite cool. That's a particularly nice one. So yeah, anyway, as you can see, it generates tons and tons of nice waveforms. Okay, so we're going to go export to WAV file. I'm going to save it. Okay, then we're just going to go and get Serum again. You could do it all in Vital, but like I said, I really like Serum. So let's grab that. And then we're going to load up what we just saved. Okay, so now is kind of a bit of a boring part. If you want, you can just go through and delete all the sort of not so interesting or not so nice tables. Yeah, and it's up to you what you think is, worth keeping and not. But I would be pretty specific about what it is you want to keep because there's so many of them. So, delete all the stuff you don't want and keep all the tasty stuff. And there's always cool stuff in here. And pretty much every time you generate this audio to turn into a wavetable, it's going to be a little bit different. And you can change your Serum patch or whatever you're going to generate the audio in the first place with in any way you like and come up with all kinds of crazy textures and tones. Okay, so enjoy the technique and I will see you next week.